Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide your views count on Instagram post during posting. So you can see this is the Instagram application, so you need to tap on your going to tap on my app. And after that you can see it's your profile page. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the plus icon the bottom side on your screen. Then you have to choose the picture, which picture you are going to upload. So I'm just choosing this one and simply tap the next button, and again tap the next button. Then scroll down, then here you'll see the option advanced settings. Simply tap on that, and you can see likes and views. So if you tap on this one, then your height, like and views counts on this post. So in this way you can do this thing. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.